Have you ever been somewhere and weren't sure if you were coming back? Where the unexpected became the expected and the abnormal the normal? Honorable judges, fellow 4-H members and guests, welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, the place of no return. The Bermuda Triangle is a large piece of the ocean that has remained a mystery to many people for years on end. It was first discovered in 1492 by Christopher Columbus and his crew. The crew had been experiencing weird things like fire burning in the skies and glowing dots off on the horizon. Christopher had also been getting weird compass readings, but at that point he did not tell his crew because they were starting to get a bit superstitious. Later, when the crews came to get the goods from North America, many of them were never found, thought to have gone through the Bermuda Triangle. Now, there are many theories on the Bermuda Triangle. Many of them are out of this world, but there are some plausible ones, like the methane gas theory. What it states is that underneath the surface of the Earth, there are pockets of methane, and under extreme pressure, they burp out the surface and float through the water. But since methane is a gas, it makes the water around it less dense, so if a ship were to sail over top, it would sink automatically. Also, methane can go up into the air and stall airplane motors, or explode around the airplane. Other explanations state that since the Bermuda Triangle has rapid weather changes and is the birthplace of many hurricanes, ships may go into it, lose track of where they are, and then capsize from bad weather or loss of fuel. Along with these scientific explanations, there are also some out-of-this-world explanations. Some people believe that the Bermuda Triangle is filled with wormholes that transport people to different dimensions. Others believe that UFOs frequently travel here and abduct people, leaving only their ships, which would explain that why, when they do find the odd ship that has gone through the Bermuda Triangle, it often has no trace of human life, and in one incident, half-eaten plates of food. Edgar Cayce, a famous prophet, had stated that the Bahama Banks were part of Atlantis, the great sunken city. He had also stated that the Bahama parts of Atlantis would rise up to the surface in 1968 and 1969. And in 1968, the Bimini Wall, which is part of the Bahama Banks, rose to the surface in the Bermuda Triangle, which gives the question, is the Bermuda Triangle on top of Atlantis? Some people believe so. They believe that sunken Atlantean machinery is still working underneath the surface and zapping ships that sail over top. But what do I believe? Personally, I don't believe in any of these theories. But if I were to pick one, I would pick the methane gas theory. Although it's not the most fun one to believe in, it has the most real explanation. So next time you book your flight, make sure it's not to the Bermuda Triangle, or you may never be coming home.